Looking to add a splash of color and comfort to your patio or living room? These indoor lumbar pillows are exactly what you need. Sized at 11.5 inches by 18.5 inches. This set of 2 pillows features coordinating welt cord that effortlessly complements your existing decor, whether outside by the pool or inside your favorite chair. What sets these pillows apart is their ultra-durable polyester fabric. It's not just any fabric, it's water and fade resistant, designed to protect the fill material and maintain its vibrant look season after season. That means you don't have to worry about sudden rain showers or harsh sunlight dulling their appearance. Plus, the recycled polyester fiber fill keeps the pillows plump and supportive, so they hold their shape and add extra cushion where you need it most. I've seen firsthand how these pillows transform outdoor spaces. One customer shared how they bought the set for their yard chairs, and despite occasional rain exposure, the pillows stayed in great shape. They even received compliments on how upscale and well-made they look. It's proof that quality and style can coexist without a hefty price tag, especially when you catch them on sale. Cleaning is simple too. A quick spot clean or gentle hand wash with mild detergent and cool water keeps them fresh. Just air dry and they're ready to brighten your space again. To keep them looking their best, storing them covered when not in use is a smart move, extending their life and maintaining that fresh, vibrant feel. If you're ready to refresh your patio or indoor seating with pillows that combine durability, comfort, and style, this set is worth a look. They bring a subtle pop of color and a cozy touch without the worry of wear and tear. Try them when you're ready to upgrade your space with something that truly lasts.